Hello everyone. I hope you all are safe at your home. Our today's topic is fractions and decimals, which is chapter 2 of class 7th ML Agrawal. In this video, we will discuss about fractions. This is part 1. So let's start with the chapter name, that is fractions. The definition of fraction is fraction, a part of whole. Fraction is written as the ratio of numerator and a non-zero denominator, a by b, where a is numerator and b is denominator. Example 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 7 by 4, and so on. Fraction have two parts. One is numerator and second is denominator. The top number is called numerator and the bottom number is called the denominator. We can understand fraction with the example. Let us consider this is a circle and there are 8 parts in this circle. One part is shaded with red color. So we have to write fraction of shaded part. So shaded part is 1. So 1 will be written in numerator and total parts 8. So 8 will be written in denominator. So the fraction will be 1 by 8. Classification of fractions: proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. Fraction is classified into 3 parts: proper fraction, improper and mixed fraction, and other fractions are subpart of these fractions. Proper fractions. Proper fractions are those fractions which have numerator less than denominator. You can see the example 3 by 5. 3 is numerator here and 5 is denominator. So you can see 3 is less than 5. Means numerator is less than denominator. So 3 by 5 is proper fraction. Improper fraction. A fraction which have numerator greater than denominator. 8 by 4 is the example of improper fraction. You can see here numerator is greater than denominator. 8 is greater than 4. So 8 by 4 is improper fraction. Mixed fraction. Mixed fractions has a part that is a whole number and a other part that is a fraction. 1 and a 3/4 is the example of mixed fraction. Here 1 is whole number and 3 by 4 is fraction part. So 1 and a 3/4 is mixed fraction. Like fractions and unlike fractions. Like fractions are those fractions which have same denominators. You can see here 1 by 4, 2 by 4 and 3 by 4 all have same denominator 4. So these are like fractions. Unlike fractions: 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 all have different denominators. So these all are unlike fractions. So unlike fractions are those fractions which have different denominators. What is a decimal fractions? Decimal fraction is a fraction whose denominator is 10 or a multiple of 10 like 100, 1000 and 10,000 extra. You can see the example 1 by 10, 7 by 10 or 18 by 100, which have denominator as 10 and multiple of 10 like 100, 1000, 10,000 are called decimal fractions. Vulgar fraction. Vulgar fraction is another name of a common fraction. Common fraction means which have numerator and denominator both integers, not a fraction. You can see the example 1 by 2, 3 by 6, 9 by 18, 27 by 54. 1 by 2. 1 and 2 both are integers. Just like 3 by 6, 3 and 6 both are integers. Similarly, 9 by 18, 9 and 18 both are integers, and 27 by 54 both are integers. So these all are vulgar fraction. How to compare fractions? First method is cross multiplication method, or it is called cross product method also. Let us consider a by b is first fraction and c by d is other fraction. You have to compare both the fractions by cross multiplying method. So we will multiply a to d, ad, and c to d, cd. If ad is less than bc, we will understand compare fraction with the example. First example is 4 by 7 and 3 by 5. We are going to do cross multiply. 5 to 4, 5 4s are 20. 7 to 3, 7 3s are 21. Here 20 is less than 21. So 4 by 7 is less than 3 by 5. Next example 2 by 3 and 4 by 7. After cross multiplication 7 to 2 we get 14 and 3 to 4 we get 12. 14 is greater than 12. So 2 by 3 is greater than 4 by 7. Next example 4 by 10 and 2 by 5. By cross multiplying 5 to 4 we get 20 and 10 to 2 we get 20. So 20 is equals to 20. Such type of fraction are also called equivalent fraction. When both the fractions are equal, then it is also called equivalent. Thank you.